Guys, this is Risa, your funnel queen. Yes, I just said that, so I'm claiming it. I'm the funnel queen of the Philippines. Don't argue. All right, so for today's video, I'm going to explain to you what is ClickFunnels and what ClickFunnels does. So this video is for the newbies. So if you're already familiar with ClickFunnels, if nagamit mo na si ClickFunnels before, or if you're using ClickFunnels, then this video is not for you. So you might want to stop, skip this video, and watch the next one. But if you're a newbie, if you don't know anything about ClickFunnels, if you don't have any idea what is a funnel, what a funnel does, and you want to know, then please watch the video. So let's start. So a lot of people is asking me about ClickFunnels. So what is ClickFunnels? Well, ClickFunnels is an awesome tool that will help you build pages, web pages, without you having to be a designer or a developer. Unlike WordPress, that it'll take you a lot of time before you'll be able to create something that looks really good. All right, so it's the only website builder that doesn't just build pages, but actually builds smart sales funnels. With a click of a button, you can instantly create dozens of different types of sales funnels, including opt-in funnels, sales funnel, webinar funnels, membership sites, and a lot more. So, all right, so let's say you've logged into a ClickFunnels account. Here is what you're going to see first. You'll see your dashboard. All right, so once you've logged in, you're going to see your dashboard where you'll see your name, how many funnels you've built, your contacts. If someone subscribes to your opt-in or opt-in to your list, you'll see them here. The visitors, how many pages, and the funnels that you've built. You'll see everything here: the revenue, how many successful purchases, how many opt-ins, the page view, and a lot more. So yeah, you'll see everything in here. All right, so if you want to start building the funnel, what you can do is click this button here, new funnel, or click this one and funnels. So either this one or this one, it'll do the same thing. All right, so let's go back to the slide. So all right, so some of you is confused about the difference of a website and a funnel. So I'll give you guys an example. All right, so this is a website. All right, I don't know the owner of this website or what this does. I just, I'm going to use this as an example. As you can see, project management agency. It has a lot of things in here. It has grab our newsletter. Wow, grab our newsletter. Seriously. Okay. Contact us today. There's a navigation here, home, how we can help, portfolio services. And if you click that, it's downloadable without having to opt in. Meet the team. Okay, let's click that. All right, that's on a different page. You'll see the team. Okay, client love, contact us, even a blog. So basically, this is a website. As you can see, there's a lot of things going on. You can click on here, click there, click here. There's a lot of things that you can see on a website. Right? Yeah, right. So I'll show you an example of a sales funnel. So this is a lady boss. This is one of the most successful funnels that you'll see out there. They are a member of the DotCom Club, an elite group of DotCom Club awardee. Russell Brunson. Okay, so this is a funnel. As you can see, there are a lot of things in here, but notice the call to action. The call to action will lead you to one thing and one thing alone, and that is for you to get or start their free trial. I mean, I think this is a 7 days free trial. If you click here, um, yeah, oh, free. It's free for 7 days and it's $27 a month. So even though you can see a lot of things in here, a lot of testimonials, a lot of, yeah, super duper, a lot of testimonials, the benefits and all that. But the goal is one thing and one thing alone, and that is for you to sign up. That is the funnel. And the website, it shows you a lot of different things. So basically, the website is like a collection of things that you do. Let's say you're a service provider and you want people to see your services and the team members that you have, the testimonials. If you have a blog, you'll see that on the website. But if you're offering, let's say, a freebie or a lead magnet, you might want to use a funnel, especially if you're offering, let's say, a program or a course or something like that. You might want to use a funnel for that. Okay, so that's the difference. I hope I made that clear. Okay, so on my next video, I'm going to show you how you can build your first funnel in ClickFunnels in less than 15 minutes. So that's exciting. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.